Yon World, what's the deal? It's your boy Original Dion, and today on my YouTube channel, uh, I want to talk about the Sri Yantra. I got a comment on one of my recent videos from a YouTuber, and she asked me, do I still believe in the Sri Yantra? What have I manifested from the Sri Yantra and everything? And I just wanted to give y'all a complete rundown on just my experience with the Sri Yantra and how long I've been using it and what it's helped me do. So let me just start from the beginning. When I first learned about the Sri Yantra, it came to me through a dream, and the dream happened on my birthday. I forgot how old I was turning, but it was about 4 years. I was probably turning 20. I was about 20 years old, and you know, the symbol came to me. 1920. Uh, the symbol came to me on my birthday, and I had a dream about it. And in the dream, I saw the goddess Lakshmi. And I saw her, and I saw the symbol behind her, and something just attracted me to it. The next morning, I was up, researching sacred geometry, looking up different symbols and shit. And I ended up finding the symbol I saw in a dream. And at the time, it wasn't a lot of information about, well, it wasn't a lot of videos on YouTube about the Sri Yantra. It was probably like two or three. Um, I saw one, whole project. It was called Project Yourself, and it was based around the Sri Yantra. And I looked into that, and I got some more information and saw how it helped change. The symbol helped change other people's lives. So I began to print out the symbol and began to practice and use it and meditate on it. And now, like even to this day, I keep a Sri Yantra hanging up in my room just to give it that aura and give it that vibe, and to create that muscle memory kind of in my subconscious mind, just to always remember the symbol. That's the key thing when you're working with the symbol, is to have it in sight, whether it's in your phone. Like it was a point in time where I was on the go a lot, so I had it on my phone screensaver, because you always look at your phone anyway. So I had it on my phone screensaver, and it was the center point, the Bindu, and it had the whole Sri Yantra on there. But the I always keep it hanging up in my room. When I first started using it, I was in the basement. I was in my mama's basement. Um, Over the course of me using it, my intention at first was to win the lottery, and I did. I had small wins in the lottery. It'd be like $5. You know what I'm saying? If you match a Powerball on two numbers, like $10 or something. Like the most I ever won was $500, and I just began to shift my focus onto something that was just more practical to me at the time, just to make some money. And the the one thing I wanted to do was have multiple streams of income through the internet. So I began, with the under the influence of the Sri Yantra, I just began researching and finding different things like Amazon, ClickBank. I monetized my YouTube channel, and you know, I was diving into cryptocurrency early on, and it was a lot of different things that I was coming into, like the music streaming. I learned about music streaming before it got real big, and had my stuff on them platforms. So I just kind of reaped the benefits from all these different streams of income through the internet, and that's how I got where I'm at now. I'm in my second apartment. I just got another car. You know what I'm saying? Um, I travel a lot. Last year alone, I went to Miami 5 different times. You know what I'm saying? I love Miami. Shout out to Miami, man. I'm going back again. I got another trip planned, so I'm going back again. And yeah, I'm about to go to Dominican Republic this year. It's a lot of stuff. Like I got my passport. It's so much stuff, so much little shit that you need. You know what I'm saying? And I'm I'm good financially. Like I always got money on me. Like right now, Sri Yantra. You know what I'm saying? It's just $1,000, loose thousand, man. It's all type of bills in here, man. It's $1,000, man. But yeah, man, I'm just a hustler, man. And you know, I even found a Uber plug. I got in on Uber. That's a hustle too, you know. So it's a lot of stuff that I'm doing, you know what I'm saying, and it's just producing results. So, but I made a lot of money just in the past 4 years. And if you look at where I was and where I'm at right now, you know, I have not stopped. I've continued to meditate on the Sri Yantra. I continue to push. I'm still, you know, not the physical millionaire yet. I'm building that mental picture up so tough. Y'all gonna see it. Y'all gonna know. Cause I made a promise to y'all that I was gonna, my first intention, I was like, I'm gonna win the lottery. You know what I'm saying? Win something big, win a large windfall, and I still got faith in that. I got a lot of faith in winning the lottery. Because I seen it. You know what I'm saying? It's like if you have a dream of doing some shit, it's like you doing some positive shit, you gonna eventually see that shit, My dreams now, based on the Sri Yantra, like they tell me shit. Like, I can see shit before it happens. Like I have a dream about somebody and then the next morning I'm talking to him, you know what I'm saying? It's like on that type of level of information that I receive. So I'm just learning to process it all. I'm making a new album for y'all, YON WORLD, the album, where I'm gonna go in on all that tapped in shit and just really speak to on God, man. I know y'all hearing on God a lot. On God, in my bank account, on God. I'm the originator, and I'm gonna come out, you know what I'm saying, owning that. So, but yeah, Sri Yantra has helped me a lot. You know, I hope everybody that's watching this video has printed out a Sri Yantra and is studying that, because that is a two-dimensional figure that produces three-dimensional results. You understand that, you know what I'm saying, you gonna be good. You wanna know what I do, what's my practice? I look at the Sri Yantra for about 7 minutes straight. I look in the center for 7 minutes straight. And you look up at a white wall, and you should see the Sri Yantra, a bluish green image of the Sri Yantra. That's how you know you're retaining it in your mind's eye. At that point, you continue planting the seeds of intention. You continue making action and going out and having that faith. Now that you know that you have a third party instrument working in your favor, which is the Sri Yantra. And you got to understand about the goddess Lakshmi. You got to understand about the number 9. You got to understand about all of that. You know what I'm saying? When you're dealing with the Sri Yantra, just do research. Continue to do research. You're on the right path if you watch the video up to this point. So, it's your boy YON WORLD. Hit the like, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Leave a comment if you watched the video up to this point. Let me know how you feel. Let me know what you want to hear from me. Got a lot of new videos coming non-stop, back to back, every day. It's your boy YON WORLD. Peace.